Nice to meet you. Oh, what's your name? How old are you? How are you today? Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What color do you like?
I like red.
What food do you like?
I like orange.
What food do you like?
I like pizza.
Okay. What drink do you like?
I like orange juice.
Very good. What animal do you like?
I like cherry.
Oh, very good. Okay, come with me inside and please read for me this one. Can you describe the picture? Yes? Okay, come inside and look at the picture. What is this? Lamp. Very good. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
There are books.
How many books? 4 books. Very good. Please come inside. Read for me this one.
Hello, my name is Kari. I am 9 years old. I like red. I like stone and pie. I like chicken and ice cream. I can jump over wall. I can swim. What are you? What the weather like today? It's sunny. What day is it today? It's today. Can you swim? Yes, I can.
Oh, very good. Give it 5.